A lot of times when people ask, what do you do for a living? I half jokingly say I'm a matchmaker because I really think that an agent is facilitating the relationship between buyers and sellers. And it's really important that you be a good listener and understand what it is that your client's needs and wants, and distinguishing between needs and wants because they're not always the same.
Everybody likes George. He's got a smile on his face all the time, but I respect his judgment.
Although he's a real estate broker and I guess technically a salesman, he's not a salesman, which is fantastic because he's smart enough to know that he doesn't have to sell anything.
I also knew that my finance and accounting background gave me an analytical advantage, which very few agents can offer. I've been on 8 national game shows: Price is Right, Match Game, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Pressure Luck, Jackpot. It's not even so much about winning money, although that's great.
You got up to that for 1,000.
It's essential to have someone like George on your side because it's a minefield.
I'm always available to my buyers and sellers, 24/7. But most importantly, not just available, but proactively involved in every step of the process, from the first meeting to closing. My clients always know I have their back and that they can trust me.
With George, it's not even a question. It's going to guide you through the whole process. It's going to be as painless and joyful experience as you could ever imagine.
I have a really strong, passionate dedication to customer service. I think it's important that I support them in any and every way that I possibly can.